Hey, good morning. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, send me nice comments, share my videos, subscribe to my page. I do a lot of neat stuff. What I was looking at on this Jeep Wrangler was nobody actually made a video of how to get this stupid door handle off and get the clip out. So I'm going to show you how to do that mostly, and I'll probably show you how to take the door panel off just because I'm here, but there's a billion videos that show you how to take the door panel off. You need to reach out to me. Hit me up on Facebook on Clay's AC and Auto Repair if you want to get a message to me right away, and share this video and subscribe to my page. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a pick like this. This one's the one that I found works the best. I used about 6 or 7 already, and this one actually gets down in there and works really well. You're going to take your door handle and you're going to put it up to the upright position, or basically you're going to go down inside that door straight with that pick. Dean's going to hold the camera, and hopefully we're going to be able to see down inside there when I do this, and I'll show you me lifting the clip out of there, which is something nobody else did. So Dean, hold on to that. I'm going to push that back, and hopefully I can do this really fast. So you're going to get back there and you're going to go underneath it. I can't see as well as I could on the other side, so I can't tell that I'm underneath it or not. You're going to go underneath it, and then you're going to hook it up, which I did. And then you're going to pull straight up. And then the clip falls out, the door handle comes off.